Hi, my name is Hope and welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make a chain. To begin, you need to make a slip knot. You can watch one of my previous videos where I taught you how to make a slip knot, and you can use any one of the two options that I showed. So once you have your slip knot, what you'll need to do is to have the yarn that is attached to your skein over your index finger. Gently wrap this other end with your other three fingers to hold. You can use your middle finger and your thumb to hold this end, and make some tension with your index finger. Take your hook, put it under your yarn, hook it on, and pull through your slip knot. That is your first chain. So let me make the next chain up close. So when I make next chains, I now move my finger to hold the chain that has been made. So let's get this up close. So I have my yarn over my index finger, holding the other side with these three. Now I take and hold this chain, the first chain, between my index and my thumb, or you can also support with your middle. Put your hook under the yarn, pull, and you need to pull right through. That's your second chain. Move your hand over to hold, under, pull through. Again, under, hook on, pull through, under, hook on, pull through. So now, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Let's start at the beginning. Make your slip knot in whichever way is a lot easier for you. So I'm holding this end, this cut off end. Then I'm holding this end like this. Put your hook under, and then gently pull it through your slip knot, making your first chain. Now you get to hold that chain for support. Put your hook under and gently pull through. Move your hand over, under, pull through, under, pull through, under, pull through, under, pull through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rewind this video as many times as you need to until you master this chain. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.